Today we'll be showing you how to add a new user and change the password on your DVR security system. Right-click the mouse while on the viewing screen. This will show the pop-up menu for quick access. From the pop-up menu, highlight and click the main menu option. The DVR may ask you to log in at this point. The default login details are admin and the password is left blank. We highly recommend to set a password for the admin account and keep your password in a secure place. When in the main menu, select the Setup option. From this Setup menu, highlight and click the Users option. To add a new user, press the Add button at the bottom of the screen. Before a user can be successfully added, you will need to fill in some details: the username, a password, and the user type. Normal allows remote logins and local login to view cameras. Advanced allows full access to view cameras, search logs, file management, with the exception of being able to shut down the DVR. And binding PC MAC address. For more information on binding PC MAC address, please consult the manual. The Authority tab allows you to set specific authority settings to the new user. For more information on this feature, please consult the manual. To delete a user while logged into your DVR's admin account, highlight an existing user by clicking on the user with the mouse. Press the Delete button and then the OK button to confirm. Please note that the admin account cannot be deleted. To change a user's password while logged into the user's account, highlight an existing user by clicking on the user with the mouse. Press the Change Password button and enter the old password as well as your new password, then press OK to confirm. Click the Exit button to go back to the desired menu or main screen. Follow our YouTube channel or our Facebook page for future updates and more videos.